over this there?
In preparation for the show, the girls have been practicing 2 or 3 times a week, maybe doing 2 builds a night. They've actually, the men are tired out. There's some supporter from the wall here watching you. Turn in the house. Just coming up to 5 minutes now, so they're doing very well. I would say they're very much on schedule, maybe slightly ahead of schedule. Folks, come on, girls, come on. Get at it, come on. The oil, water, the whole lot. Tractor to be started, the PTO shaft turning and everything. Come on, girls, keep it going, come on. Come on. Come on, girls. We went out last night for some refreshments. They stayed in the house. Want to rest for today's build.
I just heard on RT1 that the Bull Hayes has arrived, but that's great because Kieran O'Connor is one of the most brave and gentle and courteous hosts in the country is with him. And he's over at the Glanbia stand, and the Monster Rugby Stars with the Magners League, they'll be there at 1:30. So go over and ask the Bull and congratulate them on the wonderful performance last Saturday morning. The match we didn't think we'd win, but we won. And I never knew about so many pubs in the country had breakfast. Breakfast at a big screen was the 9 o'clock appointment last Saturday. We'd also like to thank Kieran. He's going to bring me the Liam McCarthy cup to rub at my nose in it, because I'm Tip and they're Kilkenny. So, but anyway, we got our little, Sunday, we won our first little minor football All-Ireland in 77 years. So our boys, 15, 16, 17-year-olds. I'd also like to tell you to go along to the All-Ireland welly throwing. It starts at Loch Road 2 from 2 p.m. Come along and throw the wellies. It's for St. Vincent de Paul. Also, I'd like to welcome on Tutron if she has arrived. I can't see around here, but if on Tutron has arrived, and the official opening will take place shortly in the blessing of the grounds. And I'd like to thank Macaulay's. Macaulay's are here, and I think perhaps it's your Macaulay's Pharmacy. They send me down something special, very, very nice, and very nice that you do it. And best luck to all, and welcome particularly to the new people that are coming in this year. I know Andy and Liddy and Tesco are here. Isn't that great? And many of the hotels around the country are here as well. So they all understand. That will tell you the value, and we hope it's worth your while coming.
She's not a stunts. I lifted up that brake drum there. It was just like a pound of sugar. No bothered her at all. Helen's after doing the same on the far side. Come on, girls, this is going to be good. 8 minutes. Put up 9 minutes, just girls. She's doing well. Joey's avoided putting on the wheel again. Come on, girls, gentlemen, up the front side, come on. It's been a very good time. I think we'll be extra careful because there's such a big crowd watching them. On here. Well done, guys. 10 minutes, 33 seconds.
And the thing is lifted.
That would be nearly the fastest